So mwen bam nan go boat sa. Ba mouvel pou mwen. Salvoy ba mwen la. Men ou kon dom pa bon. So bon bagay. Ou ta voyel non boat kem ka ouve petit. Salvoy ba mwen la. Salvoy ba mwen la chérie. Men ou kon dom pa bon. So bon bagay. Ou ta voyel non boat kem ka ouve petit. Salvoy ba mwen la. Salvoy ba mwen la chérie. Oh my God. That is a bike for Verwan's. Verwan! Ok, Jim, bon le geta de. Bon, comment faire acheter bicyclette ça pour vous? Quand on cause, messieurs, pour moi qui vivre Haïti. Oh my gosh, you are lovable. Verwan! Hurry up, come. Hurry, I got a surprise for you. I got a surprise for Verwan. Hurry up! I can't believe this guy. My gosh. Verwan, hurry up. Verwan, really? Come on, V, come on. Yes, you washing your face. You heard surprise. Come. You got a gift. Stop. From all the way from Haiti. Come on, let's go. You want to see what it is? I thought it was for me. He sent it, but no, it's for you. Come on. Yep, I just opened it. And look what's inside.
Is that a bike?
A bike.
That's cool.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a one-wheel bike. Is that it?
A one-wheel bike?
Yeah, I don't know. Yes. Those little things you roll on. This is crazy. Oh, it's like a scooter, V.
Oh, it's a scooter.
It's a scooter bike. You don't want to say thank you?
Thank you.
Go look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, D.
Thank you. This is cool.
I know, right?
How do you ride this thing anyway?
We're going to find out. We're going to put it together and write it. We're going to find out. Here, trying to cut the papers around it. This is what?
This is one of my favorite colors too.
This is one of your favorite colors?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. So he got it right, right? He got it right. D, you amazing. You crazy.
This is cool.
I know. Think this is cool.
It's amazing.
It is amazing, right? You like it?
Yes.
Yes, I love it, mommy. And this gift, from all the way from Haiti. How thoughtful.
That's a long way too.
That's a long way, I know. You can cut it, yeah. Just hold.